Hey guys, welcome back to G's Kitchen. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to make mushroom pepper gravy. This is a gravy dish that is completely made with pepper and it is spicy, flavorsome, and it can be had with idlis, dosas, chapatis, parotas. So it's actually simple to make. Let's see how to make it. So I'm going to first start doing the masala, the ground masala. So in a pan I've added oil. I'm going to add cloves, cinnamon, star anise, fennel seeds, black peppercorns, poppy seeds. So I'm going to fry these for a few seconds. Next I'm adding onions, long cut onions. I'm going to let this cook for about 2-3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. I'm going to add tomatoes. And again, I'm going to cook till the tomatoes are cooked well. I'm also going to add coconut. So it should take a nice 3-4 minutes. So it's been 4 minutes and I'm going to add, everything is cooked, so I'm going to add a little bit of water and I'm going to grind this to a fine puree. In a pan I'm adding oil and this is how the puree is. To the oil I'm adding fennel seeds, bay leaf and curry leaves. Next I'm adding onions. I'm going to cook the onions till it becomes nice and brown. The onions have become translucent. I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. I'm going to cook further for another 2-3 minutes. Next I'm going to add tomatoes, salt, mix everything, and so I'm going to cook till the tomatoes are nice and mushy. They're completely cooked. Tomatoes are completely cooked. Mash this a little bit. Next I'm going to add mushrooms. And mix everything. And this. And I'll be adding water. So mixing. I'm going to let the mushrooms cook, let out its water. So it's going to take about 10 minutes. Now it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to add the rest of the water from the masala. Next I'm going to add some turmeric powder, some pepper powder, some water. Mix well. I've checked the spices, everything is fine. I'm going to give this a nice boil and basically it's done. So yes, mushroom pepper gravy is done. I'm going to finally add some coriander leaves. So mixing it, you can even make it even more thick. It's totally up to you. I like it this way. And today, I usually make it a bit more thick when I'm having it with rotis. Today I'm going to have with dosa. So dosas and at least this texture is actually fine. So yeah guys, mushroom pepper gravy is done. I'm going to have this with some dosa. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.